Hello everyone, my name is Rima Adil and I am a senior endoscopy technician, and welcome to World Endoscopy. Today we will learn about the major types of endoscopy procedures. This lecture is designed to be short and easy to understand. Endoscopy is a medical procedure that uses a camera to look inside the body. It allows doctors to directly examine internal organs. It is used for both diagnosis and treatment. Upper GI endoscopy examines the esophagus, stomach, and duodenum. This procedure is also known as EGD. It helps detect ulcers, bleeding, and digestive disorders. Colonoscopy is used to examine the large intestine and colon. The scope is inserted through the rectum. It helps detect colon diseases and abnormal bleeding. Sigmoidoscopy examines the lower part of the colon. It mainly focuses on the sigmoid colon and rectum. It is useful for evaluating lower intestinal conditions. Bronchoscopy is performed to examine the lungs and airways. It allows doctors to view the trachea and bronchial tubes. It helps diagnose infections and lung abnormalities. ERCP is used to examine the bile ducts and pancreatic ducts. It can be used for both diagnosis and treatment. It helps remove stones and manage blockages. EUS combines endoscopy with ultrasound technology. It helps evaluate deep internal organs, such as the pancreas. It is commonly used for detailed assessment and staging. Endoscopy plays an important role in modern medicine. It supports accurate diagnosis and effective treatment. Thank you for watching, and follow and subscribe World Endoscopy for more learning, and we hope to see you next time.